If you or your daughter are taking part in the Playing a Part programme, you'll have been sent a link to our Prospero library. Prospero is an interactive software platform that allows the individual to choose their own path through different resources, working at their own pace. Although it will work on other devices, Prospero works best on a laptop and when using the Google Chrome browser. You will have been sent a link that will take you to this page. Here you'll find all the different resources. There's a smart script to welcome you if you're a participant or if you're the parent of a participant, and then there's one smart script per week. To access these resources, you'll need to set up an account. Don't worry, it's free. Go to the top right-hand corner and register your new account. Then go ahead and sign in. Now that you're signed in, go to the button that says Free next to the smart script that you want to access. You'll have two choices, Play Now or Play Later. If you click Play Later, it will be added to your player for later. I'm choosing Play Now. Then click Start a Smart Script session. Don't worry if this takes a little while to load. The video starts playing, and as you can see, you can control the volume and pause and play as you choose. After 10 seconds, the next button will appear. Obviously, you'll want to wait to watch the whole video, but for this demonstration, I'm going to click Next now. Clicking Next allowed me to skip to the next video. And again, that will play for 10 seconds before the next button appears again. Sometimes the next scene will be another video, or it could be a presentation that looks like this. Or even an audio section, and that will look like this. Sometimes you'll get a choice of buttons, like this. For example, if I click on Lana's sensory space here, it will take me to a video of Lana talking about her ideal sensory space. Again, after 10 seconds, a button will appear, but this time it's a back button. This will take me back so that I can choose a different path through the script. There's lots of opportunities to step back or to replay, so don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time round. You can watch the scripts as many times as you choose, and pause them if you need to. If you have difficulties accessing the scripts, first make sure that you're using Chrome, as this is the best way to play them. If you are on Chrome, then it might be a good idea to check your internet speed. If you're still having difficulties, then get in touch with us or contact Prospero directly.